Can the iPad Pro 2020 be your only computer for school? Welcome back, Go Gang. Today I'll be taking you through a typical day in my life using the iPad 2020 Pro, focusing on the student perspective. And at the end of the day, I'll tell you whether or not it can fully replace your laptop. Just to go over my specs real quick, I have the iPad Pro 2020 11-inch version with the Magic Keyboard, Apple Pencil, and of course the paper-like screen protector. It's 10 a.m. and I'm starting off my day with Zoom meetings. Are you guys there? This is a call I'm hosting with some of my productivity coaching clients, and the iPad is great. The camera quality on the iPad is probably better than your laptop, so you'll be looking good. And of course, the microphone is great. The speakers are great as well. Zoom has a dedicated app for the iPad with all the functionalities, so no problems here. 11:30 a.m., I gotta do some emails, all right? So you might not know, after I graduated from college last year, I decided to take the un-Asian route. Instead of getting a stable job, I decided to go into entrepreneurship. So right now I run my own marketing agency as well as making videos for you guys, which I love doing. Between communicating with sponsors and clients, emails are a big part of my day, and it's probably gonna be for you as well. I usually use the Mail app, or I go on gmail.com. A great thing about the iPad OS is that you get the desktop version of all the websites, so you don't lose functionality like you would on your mobile device. 12:30 p.m. it's time for a nice home-cooked meal while consuming some quality Netflix and YouTube content. Media consumption is what the iPad was originally made for, and it really excels at that. The screen is one of the best screens you'll have on a mobile device, and on the iPad Pro 2020, the speakers are really loud and has a nice punchy bass as well.
I like to push the level of risk of doing things.
By the way, if you are watching this right now, according to my YouTube analytics, 86% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So you are probably not subscribed. You can't be a part of the Go Gang if you're not subscribed. So click that button to join this hardworking community of students all working towards our goals. And I'm setting a goal for us, Go Gang. If you see that right here, that's the number of subscribers we have right now. We are around 8,000 short from 100,000 subs. Invite your friends to subscribe and let's prove what the Go Gang is capable of. I'm counting on you. All right, 1 p.m. now we're getting serious. We gotta do some actual productive work here. As a student, you're probably gonna be taking a lot of notes. The iPad is great for that. Personally, I use OneNote because I use my computer in conjunction with my iPad a lot. But if you want to check out the best note-taking app, you can watch my other video right here. Please note, you can't be productive on the iPad without a keyboard and without the mouse pad. Logitech recently came out with one as an alternative to the Magic Keyboard. It looks pretty good, and for half the price, you can't beat that. Another thing the iPad is great at is handwritten notes with the Apple Pencil. The writing experience and the response time is better than any other tablet out there. But there's one crucial flaw, which is the slippery glass that the original iPad comes with. When you're writing, it doesn't feel like you're writing on paper and you don't get that tactile feedback. So that's why this video is sponsored by, say it with me, can you guess? Paper-like. Writing on the paper-like screen protector is like writing on paper. You get that sound of paper and you get that tactile feedback. Paperlike has been a sponsor for all my iPad video, and you know why? Because they're a good product and you guys seem to love it, so Paperlike wants to sponsor more videos. Win-win for everybody, eh? If you want one, you can use my link in the description to get yours now. 3 p.m. The iPad is way more portable than my laptop, so I tend to carry my iPad everywhere. I can even do work outside. Now I gotta edit some short videos. You don't have to be a content creator to post content. As a normal student, you're posting on Instagram, you're posting on TikTok anyway. The iPad is great for editing those type of short form content. Right now I'm editing a short upcoming sponsorship content. For these simple edits, I just use InShot because it has like different formats that you can choose from. And if you want to edit photos, I use Lightroom. This is actually a really good app on the iPad. It's debatably better and more enjoyable than the computer version. My only complaint about the iPad is the file management system. It's absolute trash. For some reason, you have to import your photos and videos into your photo gallery. You can't just keep it in a folder. And this is a struggle because when you want to edit those videos, you have to look through all of your photos that you've ever taken to find the exact clips you need. Some apps aren't optimized for the iPad. They are exclusively vertical, and it's really annoying when you have it in your Magic Keyboard, so you gotta like take it out, flip it around. Ah, there we go. 7:30 p.m. Now I have a virtual singing lesson. Yes, I recently started taking singing lessons. And you know why? Because I always say to you, dare to dream, dare to make your dreams come true. So this is me daring to make my K-pop star dreams come true. So at the end of the day, can you use the iPad 2020 as your only computer for school? For most students, I would say, yeah, why not? The only thing is, if you are a full-time content creator or aspire to be, then editing videos on this, not the best. And if you play a lot of games, definitely you need a laptop for that. But for most normal people, where you just surf the web and you write some projects, you have some Zoom calls, the iPad is a great choice for that. Go gang, I'm counting on you to help us hit 100,000 subs, so hit that subscribe button. And if you want to find out the best note-taking app for the iPad, click right here to watch that video. My name is Hafu. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.